Alright, what's up everybody? This is Terran Yancey back with episode 2 of our YouTube Chronicles. Today, me and Nate's over there prepping the soap right now. We have a Mercedes GLC 300 in to do. So this car, a little bit about this car. This customer has been with me for about 6 or 7 months, and this is a brand new car. And basically, I've been trying to get her to do a ceramic coating for the longest, and we actually got her scheduled for a ceramic coating in the next few weeks. Basically, what ceramic coating does is adds extra protection to your car. Some of y'all might be used to the PPF film. Ceramic coating, if I could compare it, it's basically the liquid form of that, and it adds protection all over your car. You can put it on your wheels, you can put it on your paint, you can put it on your headlights. You can even have interior ceramic coating for your interior to help prevent against water spills. If you have kids, the stains from the crumbs that they drop from their food won't stay on your leather and your vinyl, and overall it's going to keep the value of your vehicle up. So she's going to get a one-step polish done on this to remove all the little light imperfections. Like I said, this is a newer car, so the paint is not as bad. So we're going to go over with a one-step correction, and then we're going to follow with our 5-year ceramic coating, and it's going to leave a remarkable shine on it, man. Like I said, I'll let y'all walk around this car before we get started. Perfect. They always ask, what's the longest? I guess they always ask what takes the most longest while doing the detail. It's moving the seats back and forth, man. It takes like 10-15 seconds each time to move it all the way up, all the way back. We do this so we make sure that we're getting all up under the seats, make sure we're getting all that dirt and those rails and stuff in the seat. That's missed a lot going to your basic car wash. Those details, you gotta hit that, man. Being that we do this car monthly, it doesn't really take us a lot of time to get it clean. Like, we just cleaned out the trunk in probably about 30 seconds, and I vacuum cleaned all the rugs too. So that shows you the importance of keeping your car up to date with their maintenance details. And man, you never have to worry about dirt really settling into your carpet and staining your carpets or discoloring your carpets. Just keep it clean monthly with us, man. ATA's Mobile Detailing. All right, with this tool right here, man, it's a detailer's favorite brush. We do our lines with it. So to make ourselves stand out a little bit, I always put lines in the carpets for the customers to make us feel a little bit special, man. So that's what I'm about to do with this. I'll take my time with it. Is this the workout you was talking about?
Not this. So I got this handy tool. I got to squeeze.
So basically what we're going to do now, we're going to clean the floor mats. My process, we clean the floor mat. I always go over it with a good APC formula, dilute it down properly, and I go over it, all surfaces, all cracks, all crevices, get all that stuff clean. And And once we finish, this is a good product to keep your rubber floor mat shining on black. It doesn't leave it slippery either, so it's called Gummy Fix from Coach Kimmy. Definitely great stuff if you're a detailer. If you don't have it in your inventory, I highly advise that you go ahead and invest in this product right here. Gummy Fix from Coach Kimmy. It's clean, it's not slippery either, and it has that nice black luxurious appearance to it too. 15 seconds every time. I love a black car, man. Black cars are like finesse, and some people are scared to do black cars because if you miss a spot in a black car, you're going to see it. And then black also leaves a lot of swirling and scratches on it, man. And if you don't know what you're doing, you can mess up a car. But me, I love doing black cars. It's no problem.
Here, come in here. So with this material right here, a lot of the modern cars have this glossy material, and to wash it and make it shine, it's something so simple that you wouldn't believe it. Glass cleaner. Just spray a little bit of glass cleaner on it. Wipe it off. And it's shinier than it ever was before.
I know a lot of people always say they don't want to pay for the services because they feel like their car is going to get dirty to right back the next day. This is one of my monthly maintenance clients, as I've mentioned earlier in the video. And we actually haven't done this vehicle in about a month and a half. We haven't touched the outside yet, and y'all still can see like how shiny the vehicle is. That is because of the products that we use. We don't wash your car just to make it shine. We detail your car and add protection on it after that. Like after every detail, we are putting on a wash, a wax, and a sealant on all our vehicles. I don't care if it's a basic car wash or not, because that is what you all are paying for. You're not paying for your car to shine, you're paying for the protection. As y'all can see, we haven't even touched the vehicle yet, and the thing is already it's still clean. That's a month and a half. As I tangle myself up. Oh, wait.
When I first started with them, we didn't have reels, and we had this like 100-foot heavy ass hose.
So like the little trailer days?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We had a 4x5 trailer. We just had our tank sitting on, and basically had to unload everything off the bed of the truck, every detail. Yeah,
pick up that power washer, no fun after a long hot day.
Yeah, fact, man. We made it now, thank God. I want to get into some of these products. This is called Iron X. So this is a product that we use. It's an iron decontamination product spray. So we use these specifically, well, especially on black wheels. As you can see, these foreign cars, they get a lot of brake buildup on it due to the high performance brake pads on it. So it leaves a lot of residue or brake dust on your tires. So what this stuff does, we'll spray it on there, we'll let it sit. It breaks down all the contaminants that's on the surface of these rims, and leaves it with a good shine. Because you just hit it with wash it with water and soap, you will see at the end that the black will still look foggy looking. So you really need some stuff to break it down. This stuff from CarPro Iron X is some really good stuff. And it's pretty cool to look at too, because it turns the whole rim purple, showing you that that is dirt that's on the surface of it. So it's pretty cool. Y'all see that later in the video. The Iron X on the wheels, and you're gonna see how it changes color to purple. Basically that's what they're showing you, just breaking down all the iron or buildup that's on the rims. Let's check it out, see if it works. See how dirty these wheels is. Then when we put the soap on it, you can really see it when we clean it. The brake pads already turning purple. That's what's all that dirt that's in y'all wheels. And most of the time when you go to the car wash, they're just getting the face of the rims. They're not getting behind the wheels as best as they can. So it's just a little difference, man. It's quality with the detail in the car wash. That's why we charge a little bit extra, because you see what we're doing, man. Really putting the correct products on your car, does not harming your vehicle, taking care of your car in the long instant.
Repetitive stuff. Yeah.
Color, I think it's my favorite, man. So I tried blue, yellow. Yellow is also pretty good too, and then the green mix. But blue, it's something about the blue, man. It just pops. That's what Nate was just saying. That blue pops. It almost looks like 3D or something. I don't know. It's crazy. It looks clean.
Right.
So what I have Nate doing now is going over the car with the leaf blower. Basically what the leaf blower is doing is getting all the water out the cracks that the towel won't get. You'll never get 100% of the water out with this. But basically what the leaf blower do, you'll be able to get the water out of the cracks and crevices around this type of stuff. You don't want to go wiping your rag around this type of stuff because it could get caught and pull it off. It's kind of like a safety precaution that we use, leaf blower. Also, like the lugs and rims, it's also good to get the leaf blower in there to ensure that you blow out all the water too. So that's what Nate's doing with the leaf blower. Alright, so y'all remember all that brake dust that was on these rims before we had put the Iron X on it? Now you see we just finished washing the vehicle. Basically what I'm doing now is just going in and make sure I get all the cracks and crevices out, get all the little extra brake dust that was missed. And yeah, y'all see how shiny these tires are, what these rims are, man. Like I said, once again, like foreign cars, they have high maintenance brake pads on it, or high performance brake pads on it. It cause all the rust and the dust to get on it. And like I said, the Iron X, it breaks it straight down, bro. As you can see, one thing I'm doing is wiping it down now, getting the water off of it.
Just wiping windows. There's nothing to it. Everyone's wiped the window.
Alright, so basically what we're doing right now is going back over and just getting some of the tougher debris and the contaminants that was left on the car to the contact wash. Just removing it some of our Dark Fury stuff right here in the rag. Basically, the front of the car is the first point of contact for any bugs when you're on the highway. You're going at a high rate of speed. Like I said, this car hasn't got a ceramic coating yet, so the bugs will get stuck onto the vehicle's paint a little bit tougher, and it's hard to get off. Once you get that ceramic coating in a few weeks, you will see the difference in what I'm saying of how it's easy to maintain the vehicle and then removing the debris and the contaminants right off the paint with just the pressure washing. So stay tuned, you'll see the after. So what we have here is some of our ceramic glow coating spray from Genius Autos Detailing. As mentioned earlier in the video, this is what we use on all our vehicles after we detail it. Basically what this would do is add a protection layer on top of your car wash, just to ensure that the vehicle is maintained and kept clean for the month. Like I said, if you are on our monthly maintenance program, you will get this done after every cleaning we do. And this stuff works very good. Like I said, we haven't even applied it yet. It's already shining, but this adds extra protection to your vehicle, man. So I will always recommend, if you're a detailer, get this ordered from Genius Auto Detailing out of New York. It's a good guy. He gets it shipped right to you in about 3 to 4 days, man. And zoom into it so y'all can see it. Great stuff, and it smells wonderful. All right, you ready, Nick? That's the worst mistake you can make as a detailer. Drop your rag. Brand new rag, I can never use it again. It's all good, we got plenty of rags. Alright, just got finished doing the monthly maintenance detail on this Mercedes GLE 300, man. Let's show y'all the results of it, man. This thing is really, it's shining. It's shining. I wish y'all could see it in person. Hopefully on camera it hits as hard as it does in person. But as you see it, we got the rims clean, got the tire shine on it. We got the wash, wax, and sealing on the paint. We had the trim restoration on the trim all the way around. The inside, look at the inside. That black and red interior, oh my goodness, unmatched. Alright, so basically getting it ready to do the ceramic coating in about 2 weeks or so. After the ceramic coating is on here, man, you're gonna see this thing's gonna look very, very, very nice. There you go, got all the bugs off the bumper. Man. This black is beautiful. And once again, thank y'all for y'all support. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe below. Terry Yancey, I appreciate your support. See y'all in the next video. We out.